Hi everyone, ready to turn your everyday devices into powerhouses? We all know the excitement of a new phone or laptop, but over time things can slow down and that initial excitement fades. What if you could experience top-tier performance without buying the newest model? Imagine unlocking next-level performance with a few simple tweaks. Today, we'll show you powerful tricks to amplify your device's capabilities, making them work smarter, not harder. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a crucial tip if your phone's gotten sluggish. One of the easiest ways to boost your device is by clearing out unnecessary data. Think of your phone's storage as a highway. The more data, the more congested it gets. Just like a traffic jam, too much data can slow everything down. Start by deleting unused apps. These apps might be taking up space without you even realizing it. Clear your app cache, which can build up over time and take up valuable space. This cache is like the crumbs left behind after a meal. It accumulates and needs to be cleaned out regularly. Most apps have a clear cache option within their settings. It's a quick and easy way to free up space. For Android users, find this under Storage in your settings. It's a straightforward process that can make a big difference. If you're not a fan of manual clearing, apps like Google Files or CC Cleaner can help. These apps are designed to make the process effortless. They identify and delete junk files, clear your cache automatically, and optimize your storage. This means you don't have to worry about doing it yourself. Give it a try and watch your phone breathe a sigh of relief. You'll notice a significant improvement in speed and performance, making your device feel like new again. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your phone and keep it running smoothly. So, make it a habit to clean up your storage every few weeks. Set a reminder if you need to, and enjoy a faster, more efficient smartphone experience. A dead phone is about as useful as a chocolate teapot. It's frustrating when your phone dies in the middle of the day, especially when you need it the most. But don't worry, there are ways to keep your phone alive and kicking. Maximize your phone's battery life with a few power-saving tricks. These simple adjustments can make a world of difference and keep your phone running longer. Background apps can be silent battery drainers. They run without you even noticing, consuming precious battery life. Restrict apps from running in the background. Go to your settings and disable background activity for apps you don't use frequently. Dim your screen brightness or turn on auto brightness. A bright screen is one of the biggest battery hogs, so reducing brightness can save a lot of power. Use battery saver mode to limit background activity and tweak network settings. This mode is designed to extend your battery life by making smart adjustments. If you're not using 5G intensive tasks, switch back to 4G to save battery. 5G can drain your battery faster, so use it only when necessary. These small changes can significantly extend your battery life. You'll notice your phone lasting much longer throughout the day. Trust me, your phone will last much longer. You won't have to worry about finding a charger in the middle of the day. You'll still have a great experience browsing the web or checking social media. These adjustments won't affect your phone's performance. Don't be afraid to flip on battery saver mode when you need extra juice. It's a handy feature that can give you those extra hours of battery life. Your eyes and your battery will thank you. With these tips, you can enjoy your phone without constantly worrying about the battery. PC gamers, video editors, and anyone with a sluggish laptop, this one's for you. We all know the frustration of waiting for a slow laptop to catch up with our demands. Whether you're in the middle of an intense gaming session, editing a high-resolution video, or simply trying to get some work done, a slow laptop can be a major hindrance. Just like our phones, laptops can accumulate digital dust, leading to slower performance. Over time, files, applications, and other digital debris can clutter your system, making it sluggish and unresponsive. This digital clutter can come from various sources, such as unused programs, temporary files, and even malware. A little system cleanup can work wonders. By taking some time to clean up your laptop, you can significantly improve its performance and extend its lifespan. It's like giving your laptop a fresh start, allowing it to run more smoothly and efficiently. Uninstall programs you don't use. Go through your list of installed programs and remove any that you no longer need. This will free up valuable space on your hard drive and reduce the load on your system. Tackle the startup folder and disable non-essential programs. Many programs are set to start automatically when your laptop boots up, which can slow down the startup process. By disabling these non-essential programs, you can speed up your laptop's boot time and improve overall performance. Use built-in system tools like Disk Cleanup for Windows or Optimize Storage for Mac. These tools are designed to help you identify and remove unnecessary files, such as temporary files, system cache, and old backups. These tools scan your hard drive for unnecessary files, freeing up valuable space. By regularly using these tools, you can keep your system clean and running smoothly. Consider dedicated cleaning apps like Clean My Mac for a thorough scrub. These apps offer advanced features and can help you clean up your system more effectively. They can also provide additional tools for optimizing your laptop's performance. Regularly update your drivers to avoid compatibility issues and performance hiccups. Outdated drivers can cause various problems, including hardware malfunctions and software crashes. Keeping your drivers up to date ensures that your laptop runs smoothly and efficiently. Head to your laptop manufacturer's website for the latest drivers. Most manufacturers provide driver updates on their websites, making it easy to download and install the latest versions. It might seem small, but it can make a world of difference. Even minor adjustments like cleaning up your desktop or organizing your files can have a significant impact on your laptop's performance. A clean system means a faster, more efficient laptop. By taking the time to clean up your system, you can enjoy a smoother, more responsive experience. Say goodbye to those dreaded spinning beach balls of doom. With a clean and optimized system, you can work, play, and create without the frustration of a slow laptop holding you back. Let's talk RAM, your computer's short-term memory. More RAM means smoother multitasking. If your laptop allows, consider adding more RAM. It's like upgrading from a small desk to a spacious workstation. If you can't add physical RAM, use virtual RAM. It borrows space from your hard drive to boost performance. Windows users can adjust virtual memory settings under System Properties. Mac users have Swap Memory, which optimizes performance behind the scenes. Explore virtual memory options if you're feeling RAM limitations. It might be the performance boost your laptop needs. Let's talk about our wearable companion smartwatches. These aren't just fancy timepieces, they're mini health and fitness coaches. Your smartwatch can track steps, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. Built-in GPS tracks your runs, walks, or bike rides without your phone. Sleep analysis helps improve your sleep quality. Use fitness apps like Strava, MyFitnessPal, or Google Fit for a comprehensive view of your health. These apps sync data from your smartwatch and offer personalized workout plans. Unlock the full fitness potential of your smartwatch. It's like having a personal coach on your wrist. In today's hyper-connected world, our devices can be a double-edged sword. Notifications can be productivity killers. Take control and create a distraction-free digital environment. Go through notification settings for each app. Disable notifications for non-essential apps. Customize how you receive notifications. Experiment with different notification styles. Use Do Not Disturb mode for a digital detox. It silences all calls, texts, and notifications. Customize it to allow calls from certain contacts or repeated calls in emergencies. Enjoy some peace and quiet when you need it. Let's talk smart home tech. Automation can make your life easier and more comfortable. Set up custom schedules and triggers with companion apps. Use IFTTT to connect different smart home devices and services. Create automations like turning on lights when you arrive home. Or get notifications if your smart security camera detects motion. The possibilities are endless. Unlock the true potential of your smart home devices. Let's talk smart speakers. These voice-activated assistants can do more than you think. Integrate them with other smart devices in your home. Control your lights, locks, thermostat, and TV with your voice. Use them as music powerhouses with streaming services. Take advantage of voice-controlled reminders and alarms. It's like having a personal assistant on your countertop. Explore the full potential of your smart speakers. Make your home truly voice-controlled. Gamers, let's optimize your console for smoother gameplay. Storage can get bogged down with too much data. Delete games you no longer play and unnecessary saves. Consider investing in an external SSD for faster load times. Adjust system settings like display resolution and frame rate. Find the sweet spot for visual fidelity and smooth gameplay. A little digital housekeeping can go a long way. Enjoy a smoother, more immersive gaming experience. Say goodbye to lag spikes and frame rate drops. Game on! Let's talk about the finishing touches gaming accessories. Upgrade to a customizable controller for better gameplay. A high-quality gaming headset with surround sound is essential. Look for a TV with low input lag for real-time action. Don't underestimate the power of a good gaming chair. A comfortable chair with lumbar support can make a difference. Elevate your gaming experience with the right gear. The right accessories can make all the difference. game in comfort and style. Unlock your device's full potential. There you have it, simple tricks to transform your devices into powerhouses. With a few tweaks, make your gadgets work smarter and help you get more done. No need to spend tons of money. Just a little know-how and the right approach. We've covered everything from clearing digital clutter to optimizing battery life. Technology is designed to make our lives easier, so unlock its full potential. Like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and hacks. Share your own cool tricks in the comments below. Until next time, keep leveling up your gadgets.